Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own vitamin C serum for face. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder, 2 tablespoons of distilled water, and 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. These simple, yet powerful, components will form the foundation of your potent, homemade serum, designed to brighten and protect your skin effectively and affordably. This process is quite straightforward. To begin mixing, pour the 2 tablespoons of distilled water into a small, clean bowl. Gradually add the 1 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder, stirring continuously for about 30 seconds until it fully dissolves. This ensures an even distribution and proper activation. Finally, incorporate the 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, mixing until the solution is clear and well combined, creating a smooth texture. Proper storage is absolutely crucial for maintaining your serum's potency and effectiveness. Transfer the freshly made serum into a dark, airtight glass bottle to protect it from light and air. Store it in the refrigerator to significantly slow down the oxidation process. For optimal effectiveness and safety, it is best to use your homemade vitamin C serum within 1 week of preparation. To apply, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips and gently press onto your clean, dry face and neck each morning. Always follow with a good moisturizer and a broad-spectrum sunscreen to maximize protection. Regular use can lead to noticeably brighter skin, reduced hyperpigmentation, and enhanced collagen synthesis, giving you a truly radiant and youthful complexion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.